What's up guys, we are back with some breaking news. Ever since the release of the Galaxy S22 series, fans have been asking one question, which is there going to be a Galaxy S22 Fan Edition? And well, we finally have the answers today. According to South Korean media today reporting a bombshell of a news that Samsung has indeed cancelled the Galaxy S22 Fan Edition. They mentioned two main reasons for the cancellation. First is the chip shortage and supply chain issues, and the second one is the high demand for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Does this mean the end of the Fan Edition lineup? Well, no. According to XEETECHCARE, their source said that Samsung still has plans to release the S23 Fan Edition next year as supply chain might be more stable. In fact, there's already a leaked estimation for how many units Samsung wants to sell regarding the S23 series next year. Next year, Samsung has plans to release 3 million units of the S23 FE, 13 million units for the S23 Ultra, 8 million for the standard S23, and about 6 million for the Galaxy S23 Plus. Once again, this is the leaked prediction estimation for the units, so things can still change, but this confirms that Samsung indeed has plans for the S23 Fan Edition next year, meaning the end of Fan Edition is not happening after all. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Also in the news, the official Z Flip 4 and Fold 4 renders are here. As you can tell, there's definitely no major design change, which is not a bad decision considering Samsung is still bringing some meaningful upgrades like better camera, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, and most importantly, a cheaper price that they have never offered for their foldables. Like this foldable lineup could have the most affordable launch ever. Now last but not the least, the future of Android smartwatches are looking great because Qualcomm has finally stepped up the game. The new Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 and the Gen 1 Plus chips are finally official. This is the first Android smartwatch chip that is built on a 4nm process, pentacore CPU along with slimmer construction for a better design. With the new Qualcomm W5 chips, Android smartwatches could get major boost in performance as well as battery. So there we go, that's all the news for today. It seems like Fan Edition is dying for now, but Samsung will keep it alive for the future. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.